Hi, I'm Carrie Messerschmidt, a broker at Dennison Capon Group, and today we're in Lake Oswego's desirable Palisades Terrace. Located on the south shore of Oswego Lake, this exclusive neighborhood is known for its privacy, grand homes, and deeded lake access. Tucked among the evergreens, you'll find this traditional home, which boasts 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and over 5,400 square feet of living space. Welcome to 1050 Schukart Lane. A spiral staircase leads you into the home where you're greeted by bright formal spaces with luxurious finishes. The home's great room boasts a gourmet kitchen with stone countertops and gas appliances, a dining nook with a bay window, and an entertainment area with a fireplace, built-ins, and French doors that open into the spectacular backyard. Elegant details like crown molding, wainscoting, and gleaming hardwood floors can be found throughout this home's main level. Imagine retiring for the evening to this extravagant upper-level primary suite. Heated tile floors, a jutted tub, a rain shower, and a private sauna are just a handful of features that set this room apart. Closet space is no issue with this huge walk-in connected to the bath. Decompress from your day with tranquil forest views from the suite's bay windows. The true showstopper of the home is the lower level. An entertainer's dream, it features a theater, wine cellar, separate living quarters, updated bath, and bonus family room. The ultimate sports center, this family room includes a renovated wet bar and is adorned with Portland Trailblazer colors and players. But wait, the entertainment space doesn't stop here. Outside, you'll find an outdoor living room gazebo with a fireplace, a deck off the main level with a hot tub, and lush landscaping, including a private brook. Unmatched indoor and outdoor entertainment spaces, grand rooms, elegant finishes, and lake access, this home has it all. An excellent opportunity for new families looking to settle down in Lake Oswego. What are you waiting for? Visit our website, dcgpdx.com, to schedule your own private tour. This home won't be available for long.